Do you want to be SAC certified and need some help with how to prepare and pass? Well, you have come to the right place. My name is Debanshu Mukherjee and I'm a certified SAC BW and HANA consultant. And today in this video, we will see 7 easy steps to get SAC certified. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing is to get a SAC trial server. Benefits are hands-on practice. So you can do hands-on practice. If you have a server, you can upload Excel sheets and play around to get to know the features. Second benefit is that you can follow the OpenSAP and other video tutorials where the Excel sheet they give you can be uploaded and practiced. And the third benefit is to connect to a native HANA SAP source and get the data. So get that server and make use of it. Alright, so the second step is to get the Learning Hub subscription. That facilitates ebooks, meaning your PDFs, videos on different topics, and finally, you can get the reference guides and other helpful material. So get that Learning Hub subscription and make use of that. Alright, the third step is to complete 3 OpenSAP courses. Number 1, Intelligent Decisions with SAC, which gives you a deep dive into all the 4 topics of SAC, which is BI, Planning, Predictive, and your Analytics Designer. The second one is SAC Authentication and Connectivity, which gives details of SSO, Single Sign-On, and the connections. And the third one is SAC Digital Boardroom, which gives a deep dive into Digital Boardroom. So complete these 3 SAP Open courses and you will benefit immensely. The fourth step is to access Ingo's free resources. Ingo Hilgeford is SAP's Chief Product Evangelist for SAP Analytics Cloud and has given us really useful free resources. The first one is his free ebook, which can be downloaded from his website and gives us 9 chapters and is a great book for any beginner. And the second one is the YouTube channel where he posts daily free videos. And the third one are the blogs and guides which he has authored. So access these resources and they will help you immensely for your certification. The fifth step is SAP's free resources. So SAP has given some really helpful resources. The first one is guided playlist on SAC website, which is a topic-wise content, very nicely structured. For a particular topic, you can access them. Video tutorials, SAP has taken the effort to record videos and has published them. And the third one is SAC help content and SAC community. So with these 3 SAP resources, you can immensely benefit for your certification. The sixth step are webinars and workshops. So SAP has SAC webinars. 2 websites are there. The first one is SAC website, which has only SAC specific webinars, both upcoming and recorded. And the second website is the SAP HANA Cloud Services, which also has SAC webinars, but also has a HANA Cloud and Data Warehouse Cloud. And the third one is the ASAC webinars, which is membership based. So with these 3 resources, it will help you greatly for your certification. The 7th step are the practice quiz questionnaire, which I think is one of the best goodies. These are consolidated questions from video tutorials, from OpenSAP courses, and from Ingo's book and other webinars. So it's a complete list of all the type of questions which can be asked and will really help solidify your understanding. So, do you need more? Well, now you can get the details of each of these 7 steps. I have explained each one of these 7 steps in detail with screenshots and demo of how to do these 7 steps. You can get the details by clicking the link in the description below. Thank you so much for listening in. I really hope this video helped you, and let's get SAC certified together. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.